Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can filter rows by color in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets file in my mobile phone, and for example, I'm going to filter the rows on this pass or fail column. So first of all, we can click on the pass or fail cell like this, and we can add the filter. Just click on the three dots, and here you can create a filter on the cell. Okay, and now the filter has been added, and we're going to click on the filter like this. All right, and here if we want to filter by color, we just need to click on this filter by color option. Okay, and I'm going to select full color, and I'm gonna go with this green color. Okay, and as you can see that the rows have been filtered by this green color. Alright guys, and that's how we can filter rows by color in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.